Can you see a white box when you're moving your hand?
Yes.
Okay, that's the direction the drone will fly to. If you pull the trigger and point somewhere you want.
Okay, can I go backwards by pushing this out or no?
No, just push it.
So it only has forward, not reverse.
Yeah. You can try. You can feed the work, it will stop itself.
Oh.
This will, okay, this slider, push and hold, we will go up. Push and hold.
Right here?
Push and hold. Oh, we will go up.
Oh, I see. Ah, that's cool. That's better than my Avata.
And you
Now,
can
how do I-
rotate this lock, you will change the drone's direction.
Oh. That's really cool.
It's very intuitive.
Yeah.
Point and go. Point somewhere and pull the trigger, and it will go to there. How do you feel, sir?
This is really cool. I mean, I feel good. I mean, this is...
When you fly this drone outside between mountains, it will be very interesting.
Yeah, I'd get used to it pretty quick. Do you want me to land?
Okay? Push and hold.
Yeah.
Okay, it's landing now. Okay.
Okay, I like that.